THUNK3D jewelry scanners can rapidly promote the intelligent production of the jewelry industry. It is a 3D scanner with high-cost performance for the 3D digitization of jewelry. It has a variety of scanning modes, can design that lets follow one's inclinations. Automatic scanning, easy data acquisition with one key, saving time and effort. The open design facilitates the cleaning and placement of models. Strong compatibility, direct output of standard and common STL format 3D files. Scanner has good compatibility, can be used for digital manufacturing, 3D printing, etc. The scanning details are high, and the accuracy can reach 0.01 mm. The advantages of the new digital rapid manufacturing scheme, compared with the traditional manufacturing process, are reflected in 1. 3D scanning, and CAD reverse design software cooperate, greatly improving the design efficiency. 2. With the help of 3D printing technology, the complicated manual steps are eliminated, and the wax production speed is accelerated. 3. It can improve the quality and elegance of prototypes. Application of jewelry scanner in the industry of jewelry. 1. Reverse design the surface of physical samples of products for digital processing, data acquisition, data processing, and use the software that can realize reverse three-dimensional modeling design to reconstruct the three-dimensional CAD model of the real objects. 2. Establishment of digital archives to help large enterprises solve VE problems such as large space and high cost of edition rooms, and realize digital storage of jewelry. 3. Personalized customization meets personalized customization. 3D printing, with its high efficiency, can help enterprises to quickly respond to customers' customization needs and seize the high-end market, such as jewelry customization and jewelry customization. 4. Assisting production measurement with the help of 3D scanner. It can assist to measure the size of product accessories and realize assembly tests and functional tests. Achieve the goal of product function improvement, production cost reduction, better quality, and market acceptance. Reduce design time cost. 5. Optimization of the processing process.